Yes, like that.
Bana investment.
Yeah, take
me the og 2030 I've seen
the og. So guys, this is the winner.
Yes.
We are giving him the 6 kuku.
Yeah, this is better than money.
Hey, this is better than money. So next year you have 30 times.
30 times investment.
And hello guys, this is Breaking Back 254. You are watching Kenyans Vs Food. Joyeux anniversaire, happy Xmas, and I'm here with I'm in Oasis, the streets of Juja. And today's competition, we are not giving them money. We have the competitors. The first to win has Kuku Jogo Amamuera Zote, and I'm with DJ Mwas and Luvai the comedian.
I'm back.
Kofiti.
I'm back. I am back. Mango man.
Mango man.
Mango
hey, you
man.
had mango last time and you didn't win. You said you are sorry for your wives and kids.
I am coming for the money. I'm coming for the kuku.
By the way, these guys they told me they don't celebrate Xmas. I should, and they're my very big fans. So if they happen to win, the first to finish goes away with the kuku. Okay. Now I'm with Luvai the comedian. Kofiti. That one. Hey, this one looks. Is there black Father Christmas with this one? This is for the white men. Next year I'll bring the black one.
Yeah. We died.
Yes, Luvai.
Yes.
Tell us about yourself.
Me, I am Luvai, and I'm very hungry. I want to eat.
You want to eat?
I want to eat very much.
Okay.
This one will take less.
Will take less time.
Less. This one touch.
Hey. Nenda wapi?
Sasa kuku inaenda tena na ndio zawadi. Sasa?
Yes.
Sasa ile zawadi yangu inaenda, kuku inaenda. Hizo kuku ni 6, nataka zote hapa kwa sababu hii kitu namaliza. Watu wa Christmas huko nyumbani bwana wanataka kuku. Na siku wapelekea Christmas. Sasa ningeenda na kuku 6, tunakula mpaka New Year. Hapa ni haraka si ati ni ati
They are 6, don't worry.
They are 6.
Yeah, they are coming na anakuja.
So
you have, wait, do you prefer money or kuku?
Mimi nataka kuku.
Kuku. 6k.
Hapana. Hiyo pesa hata nikichukua sitaenda hata mbali, lakini kuku kuku ni investment na mbili zitakuwa kitoweo.
Mbili ni kitoweo.
Yeah.
4 ni mayai.
4 zitatagana zisane zikwe nyingi.
You heard them. You have how many minutes you give them, Manu? 15 minutes.
20.
15 go sawa. Kuna ugali ngapi?
Ugali kidogo.
This is 1 2. You have to share and wash your hands. 2.
I will
Sanitizer.
No, you can wash with that bottle.
Sasa ni mikono tutasanitize tena ugali tusanitize. Ugani hivi.
So guys, we have the
Sanitizer.
Hey! Ini mwera. Where's the other one, Manu?
Before you anguke.
So guys,
Let's make it fast.
Sasa
Tutoe paraphernalia.
wacha kwanza mimi nitoe hii yangu.
Tutoe paraphernalia.
Manu, where's the other chicken?
Eating paraphernalia.
15 minutes. In 3, 2, at exactly and 5:27 you will end. So in 3, 2, 1, king. Kula bila jasho. Kula fagia wote.
Mwafu is just smelling.
Kwani ni kesho?
Game plan.
You think I can beat somebody? Hey, hii ni kubwa. Hii ni Jogoo Manu.
Yes.
From Jogoo Road. Okay. Sasa. So guys, these are the winner has this. Moja mbili. Hii ni moto. Mtoto wa Jogoo. Moja mbili tatu nne sita.
They are breaking the record.
Hey, Dubai. Wow. By the way, hey. Wow. Ugali men. Usiposhinda leo tafadhali jaribu tena baadaye. Hii chakula hatutoi hapa hadi mnalize. Hey, he's finishing his own one. Mwasa rakaraka. Wow. They'll break the record. Ugali beef. Umechoka? Bado. Kula bila kunyongwa, kula bila jasho, kula bila kulala, kula bila kutapika. Christmas ye, Christmas ye mama. Christmas ye, Christmas ye mama. Hey. Wow. What's happening there? This place is dangerous. Soweto wa Juja. Hey, the device is already on the second. Okay. Yes. But these chicken are different from the one in my country, Manu.
How?
They have bald head. I don't know. They don't have head. What happened?
They are called Mushono.
Moshondo. Hey, and they are all sleeping. Kuna baridi. Hii ni mwera. Hii ni Jogoo. How do you know it's Jogoo? The ninis. Hii ni mwera. Iko na matiti. Madiaba. Hii matiti ni kidogo. Hey, kuja. Okay, the guy is breaking the record. You're left with 10 minutes. Wewe, kuja hapa. Hii mwera akona madarao. So this is how Kenyan chicken look like. Man, this place is big. The neck. What's inside?
That's the stomach.
The stomach. Yeah, the stomach is in the neck.
Yes. You can feel the food.
Ah. Tulia. So guys, if you are watching, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video and share. Hey, Mwas, kwani ni kesho? Kwani ni shoki? I was saying chicken is investment. It can give you my eye. Hey, Dubai are finishing. Okay. Eight minutes. Ugali nenda shule. Finya. Hey. Hey. This guy should challenge Chasodongo. Wow. But Luyas eat ugali alone, Manu. Is it true? Luyas. Eat ugali too much.
Yes.
Jaluo.
Kikuyus, they put soup in everything.
This is Kikuyu soup. Hey. Mwas. Okay. Kuna baridi. Effet du soleil. By the way, I decided there should be one Jogo and 5 Muera. Polygamy. Hey. Mwas. Kosawa. Okay. Kwani ni kesho? Haraka. Five minutes. Ministano. The person who loses has 5 shillings. The person who yeah, sorry. 5 bob. In the cool way. This money you can buy Mira Sindio. Mira. Yes. Hi. This chicken, I can just have only one bite to finish. Wow, Luba is doing a very good job. 4 minutes.
Open down, sir.
Kula kila kitu.
How many minutes?
3 minutes. You guys.
Dubai.
What the-
Dubai. 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 I'm being my brother's keeper.
Okay, your brother's keeper. Sawa sawa. You can do it.
Believe me. You believe me.
Tulia. 2 minutes. Ndio hiyo. Let me start arranging the Jogo. Jogo road. Sasa.
Ricky. Ricky.
This one is Jogo.
Yeah? Carry that one.
Dubai.
How much is that?
This one is hey, hii ni kubwa sana. Hii ni kubwa kama
Dubai done it.
wow. Ya kuko the record.
You still have 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes.
Chew pole pole.
I apologize.
You apologize.
I apologize.
Surrender.
You apologize to your
I give
wife.
up.
Today you lost.
Today I lost.
Last time you apologized for her because you are eating to get money.
Today I lost.
You lost. You are not going with money.
Today I'm not going.
Hey,
You give me this small one.
You are winner.
You have
All of them.
You have
All of
5
them.
bob.
You have 5 bob.
I have 5 bob.
Yeah, 5 bob.
All of them are for
Five
white.
bob you can buy.
No. I've still eaten. I've eaten 1.5 ugali.
Ah,
No.
but 5 bob is sawa. Hey, 5 bob ni kubwa. Hey, kubwa. Kama $5. Okay.
Ulivaa umeweka taxi.
Pande zote.
You still eating? 1 minute, 1 more minute.
Let's start with him. How was the competition?
Okay, and how's the competition? Competition anakuwa aje?
Chakula ilikuwa sawa. Ugali ilikuwa kubwa.
Chakula ni sawa, ugali ni kubwa.
Nyama iko sawa, ugali kubwa.
But you didn't win. Kwa nini?
Anatafuta rent. I let him win.
Okay. So those watching you, why didn't you win? What's your advice for them?
Be your brother's keeper.
Okay. So you are supporting him to win.
Yeah, hana rent.
But you have 5 bob. Offering, you can go and give it to church.
5 shillings.
Levi, how is the competition and anakuwa aje?
Competition?
Yes.
He's asking if we have another ugali.
Okay, no. Next time you win a cow.
A cow?
Yes.
The competition was very fair,
Okay.
and as you can see, just water left.
Just water
Everything-
left. Okay, now I have 1 and you are 6 and 6 kuku. What will you do with them?
This one,
Yes.
hii kwanza naenda tu country bus hii.
Ah.
Naenda kuchukua I'm going to book a vehicle to my Ushago. This is investment. Yes. 6 of them and one.
There's only one Jogo and 5 Mwera.
Yes, 1 cock and 5 Mweras.
Yes, the equation is balanced.
Yeah.
To take care of the 5.
Yeah, and I'm going to invest. Next year, a time like this, I will have 30 times.
I will not get anything.
But you can invest 5 shillings, then next year you have.
Just what? Even this small one.
When they lay eggs, I will give you 1 egg.
My eye.
Yeah, 1 egg.
He will give you 1 my eye. Okay, Manu.
Let's give the winner.
Hizi kuku watu wangu nawaambia. Mimi nishaomoka.
Yes, like that.
Bana investment.
Yeah, take
Mimi nishaomoka.
The hog.
2030, I've seen
The
me.
hog.
So guys, this is the winner.
Yes.
We are giving him the 6 kuku.
Yeah, this is better than money.
Hey, this is better than money. So next year you have 80 times.
30 times investment.
Hey, that means the Jogo has to do more work.
It will overperform this one. Then if it means giving it something to overwork, it will give me more.
Okay.
Yes.
So guys, if you are watching the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, like our content.
Subscribe hapo bana. Subscribe to Kenya
Utapata
Vs
chakula ya bure na
chakula
pesa
ya bure na investment ya bure.
Investment ya bure.
Subscribe ama ushikwe.
Mimi ninaomoka.
Subscribe ama ushikwe.
Hapo chini subscribe.
Subscribe
Kenya
ama
Vs
ushikwe.
Food.
Kenyans Vs Food.